The demand for trinocular stereo microscopes has surged as electronics repair, jewelry making, and precision engineering become mainstream professional and hobbyist pursuits. This shift mirrors the precision-seeking nature of gamers and typists who demand high-end gear for peak performance. Our guide evaluates these optical powerhouses based on magnification range, build quality, lighting flexibility.
Product number 1. Swift Trinocular Stereo Zoom Microscope with 56-bulb LED ring light. The Swift Trinocular Stereo Zoom Microscope is a professional-grade instrument that bridges the gap between industrial utility and laboratory precision. Featuring a 7x to 45x continuous zoom magnification range, this model is built for those who need to see every detail on a PCB or a gemstone. The trinocular head is tilted at an ergonomic 45-degree angle, reducing neck strain during long sessions, a feature that professionals in the semiconductor industry will particularly appreciate. What sets this unit apart is the inclusion of a 56-bulb LED ring light. Unlike standard lights, this ring provides cool, shadow-free illumination, which is essential when working with temperature-sensitive biological samples or reflective metallic surfaces. The stand is a rugged Pable pillar design that offers a 100mm working distance, providing ample space for soldering irons or engraving tools. For users who want to document their work, the dedicated camera port allows for high-resolution imaging without interrupting the binocular view. Product number 2. Professional Trinocular Stereo Zoom Microscope. Often referred to as the industry workhorse, the Professional Trinocular Stereo Zoom Microscope series represents the benchmark for microsoldering and watchmaking. These units are typically characterized by their heavy-duty metal construction and precise Greeno optical systems. They offer a standard 7x 50x magnification range that can be expanded up to 200x with auxiliary lenses, making them incredibly versatile for different skill levels. The hallmark of a professional model is the simultaneous focal adjustment. This allows the user to see through the eyepieces while the camera records the same view in focus, a massive upgrade over older models that force you to choose one or the other. With a wide field of view, WF10 x 22mm, these microscopes provide a 3D depth perception that is crucial for depth-sensitive tasks like needle threading or micro-welding. For a technician who needs a reliable, no-frills tool that won't fail under daily use, this is the gold standard. Product number 3. Swift S7 TGL CA05 Trinocular Stereo Microscope. The S7 TGL CA05 is a specialized variant designed for maximum lighting control. Unlike the ring light models, this unit features an upper dual gooseneck LED system. This allows the user to direct light from specific angles to highlight textures or minimize glare on metallic parts, a feature that is indispensable for engravers and gemologists. It also includes a transmitted bottom light for observing translucent specimens. This model often comes bundled with a Swift cam up to 16 megapixels, allowing you to record full-color pictures and videos directly to a computer. The S7 TGL CA05 is built on a solid table pillar stand, providing a stable 100mm working distance. It also features a slip clutch focus system, which prevents users from damaging the internal rack and pinion gears if they try to turn the knob past its limit, a fail-safe design that makes it perfect for educational environments. Number 4. Kaisi Professional Stereo Microscope, TX Series. The Kaisi TX series has become a viral favorite in the mobile phone repair community. Its most notable innovation is the synchronous focal adjustment, which solves the common problem of the left eyepiece going dark when the camera port is in use. This 3-eye same frequency feature allows you to keep both eyes on the specimen while simultaneously streaming your repair to a monitor or recording for a client. Kaisi also prioritizes the workspace, equipping their microscopes with extra-large bases, 380mm by 260mm, and integrated silicone mats. These mats are heat resistant, up to 500 degrees Celsius, allowing you to solder directly on the microscope base without damage. The set often includes a specialized smoke exhaust fan that clips onto the lens, protecting the optics from harmful flux fumes. For the modern repair technician, this is arguably the most feature-complete package out of the box. Product number 5. Amscope SM-4TZ-144A Professional Trinocular Stereo Zoom Microscope. The Amscope SM-4TZ-144A is the heavy hitter of the group, primarily due to its double-arm boom stand. While pillar stands are limited by the center post, this boom stand allows the microscope head to swing over large circuit boards or mechanical parts. You can move the head along the X, Y, and Z axes, providing a level of maneuverability that table stand models simply cannot match. This package includes a 144 LED ring light with 4-zone control, allowing you to turn off specific quadrants of the light to create shadows that reveal surface defects. With the included Barlow lenses, the magnification range extends from a low 3.5x for wide views up to 90x for extreme detail. It offers a massive 8-inch or 200mm working distance, giving you more than enough room for large tools or rework stations. It is a premium, professional tier system designed for those who work on large-scale industrial projects.